I was never a hair girl. I saw I had curls, but I didn't quite understand the concept of setting because I wasn't a stylist yet. So I just kept wearing my relaxer till I was 19. I went natural. I was like, what am I gonna do with my hair? I don't have any money, but I got time. So Sunday is the day that I'm gonna shampoo it, I'm gonna condition it, and I'm gonna sit with some popcorn and a movie, and I'm gonna twist my hair, I'm gonna style my hair. I've been a practicing stylist for 11 years. I love educating. I love sharing things that I enjoy doing with other people. There are so many stylists out there who have a passion for natural hair, who have a love for tight curls. Knowing that there really has not been a formalized version of education for them to hair that is not even addressed in the curly textbooks. My role as a stylist is to be an authority, be a voice in the midst of a lot of voices. With hair education, the goal is to bring the professionals that understand tightly curly hair, the professionals that have a love for it, the knowledge to confidently work with it. It just feels good so that we have a common language, a common knowledge, and that more people are served. That's what I'm here for.